Hello. How many of you are having trouble finding all of your classes, your courses in the Jeffco Schoology or in Schoology? This can happen if you are automatically enrolled in numerous classes, even those that are not being used. Now, that's what I had found when I first started this year, that some of the classes that I need for this semester were not available when I clicked on courses at the top here. Now, this is easy to fix. However, it's not quite what we may have thought where we need to go. So to do this, if you have scrolled away or moved away from the landing page, just click on the Schoology option on the left, upper left-hand side, and then go to Course Dashboard. Not to Courses, but to Course Dashboard. So what we're going to be able to do from here is organize the courses so those that you need frequently are all the way at the top. So like I had said, some of the things I had to do is I had to scroll down, and that's where I could find the courses that I needed all the way at the bottom. So what you need to do is just find whatever it is that you want to move up towards the top. So I'm just going to randomly grab one because I've already organized mine, and I'm clicking on this and dragging. Now I want to make sure I bring it up here to one of the top spots if this is a course I need right now kind of idea. So I am going to put this just right here because that's where I'm going to put that. Now I don't need to save anything, but when I go in and when I land and I just go to courses, now I can find it. Oh, did I put myself? I'm right in front of it. I'm gonna move myself now. Ooh. And there it is at the top. So now I can see it more easily. That's all you need to do. And now it's easier. It's so much easier just to kind of see that courses and just click right into what you need. Hope this was helpful and have a great day.